What is the craziest story that ever happened to you but nobody ever believes? 1. When I was in middle school, I had a dream that I was in one of our school hallways, where my cousin's dog was just sitting there. She was sort of wispy, bluish in color, and a bit transparent. The dog ran up to me. I remember I was able to give her a hug and pet her, told her she was a good dog, etc. She then ran down the hallway and I felt a bit saddened. I woke up the next morning and found out that the dog had died the prior evening. Still spooks me a bit. 2. My grandma is one of those old ladies that is really skinny and wears shorts year-round and chain smokes and swears and laughs a lot and is rarely serious. But she got real serious once and told me a story that still freaks me out. Years later, she lives in a little township just outside of a city and was driving into the main part of the town one night to get cigarettes. She was on the highway and it was dark, and she saw what she assumed was a black garbage bag laying in the grass just off the road. As she drove by it, though, it jumped up and ran at her car on 2 legs, then dropped onto all 4s and ran alongside it as she screamed and slammed on the gas to get away, keeping pace with her and trying to snap its jaws inside the passenger side window while she's screaming and trying to roll the window up. She said she outran it after a little while, going about 90, and pulled over as soon as she got into the city to catch her breath and stop shaking. She thought that maybe she was just tired and had imagined it. But when she looked over at the passenger seat, there was spit on the headrest where the demon wolf thing had been snapping its teeth. She never ever left her house after dark, and would always tell us very seriously to be careful if we ever had to go outside after the sun went down. I still get antsy driving at night because of that. 3. In middle school, I did that eeny-meeny, miny-mo game on every question for a Spanish test and got the highest grade in my class. 96%, 98%-ish.